Okay. So I guess that's another gift, free gift, but it's like very stained. So interesting. And welcome back to another video. My name is Lainey, in case you didn't know, and I post videos every Friday. And originally I was going to make these into like a couple separate videos, but I have so much stuff. I have like 5 packages all on my bed right now, and it's too much. So we're just gonna open 4 out of 5 packages because one of them is from my first brand deal. Yay! So I can't open that one in this one, but we're gonna open everything else. So, I don't even know where to start. I opened one yesterday too, but the one I opened yesterday was from my internship, and they gave me like a little care package, and it was really cute. It had like a wireless charger in it and a custom water bottle and backpack. It was so cute. But anyways, let's just dive right into it. What do we want to start with today? You know what? Let's start with the HoneyCherry shoes. So I ordered myself another pair of HoneyCherry shoes because they were on sale, and I only have Teaparties in pink and lavender. I really need to stop buying like main pieces and start getting my essentials like shoes and blouses and everything. So this is one step in the right direction. And you know, I loved my lavender HoneyCherry shoes. I even have a video review if you want to see them, but like, I love them. I absolutely love them. So we are going to open another pair of HoneyCherry shoes. Here they are. This poor sweet baby got like split open in the mail, and they just put a sticker over it. So this is kind of sad, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, this took like a month to get here, and they're normally around like $25, $26. I'll put on screen how much they are right now. Always wait until they're on sale. They go on sale pretty cheap, and so do a lot of stuff from like Lolita Gals on AliExpress, if that's where you're buying from. So here they are. I got these bad boys in brown. Let's open them. I can already smell them. They smell bad. They are all bubble wrapped for their security, and I can tell that they gave me Snoopy stickers. I got Transformers stickers in my last pair of HoneyCherries, and these guys are Snoopy stickers, and they look adorable, but I can only see them from outside the bubble wrap. Or inside the bubble wrap? Oh no, the bubble wrap is ripped too! Look at that! So is the tissue paper! This got really destroyed in the mail. But it came from overseas, so like I understand that. Oh, these are pretty. Ah, these are so pretty. Oh, there is something else in here. God, they're gorgeous. That's such a nice chocolate brown. I mainly got them so they would match this dress, my Infanta dress, also my Cheese Cocoa dress, and maybe Starlight Carnival, although I really want to get gold shoes, and I think I've determined I am going to splurge on cotton candy shoes for those gold shoes because I just want to do that core justice. For now, these are going to be another staple pair of shoes. So some tissue in the shoe. I literally, these are so nice. I'm so excited if you can't tell. There's, what even are these? Another little free gift. There's a picture on it though. I'm wondering if they're like band-aids or something. I genuinely don't know what these are. If you know what they are, leave me a comment so I can figure it out. And then of course they have our little ankle strap in them. I almost never use the ankle straps. Let me know if you actually use the ankle straps that come with these Teaparties because I'm, you know, kind of curious. These are different. There's no heart-shaped pad on the heel like in my lavender ones. That's really interesting. They are pretty cushy though. Like you can literally see the indentation from the cushion on the heel. And the soles themselves are actually really cushy. Like I think these are cushier than all of my other Teaparties, and my other Teaparties are already pretty comfortable. So these are size 42, by the way. I wear a women's US 10 shoes, my giant hobbit feet, and the heel is not coming off in any places. And like the stitching is great. Like these look way nicer than my other Teaparties that are also by Honey Color, same exact model but in another color. So okay then. So let's look at the other one and actually see if they match and if they are identical. And the other one, Here we go. Oh, my Snoopy stickers. These are so cute. They're like these little pushy ones, plush ones. They're like this, you can like squeeze them. They stick up a little bit and they're holographic. They're really cute, but the package is open. They're also kind of destroyed from the mail, so that's really sad. This one also has something else in it. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh my god. They gave me flowers. They're flower seeds. I genuinely, these are flower seeds, right? Or are they like a little fragrance packet? They smell really good. Whatever they are, they smell really good and florally. But like, are these seeds? Are these flower seeds? Because I'm gonna plant them. Okay, there's also tissue in the toe with this one. And let's compare them side by side. The bows look decently similar. The one on the left is like a little wonky, but he actually looks decently similar. The heel is fully attached on this one too. Literally no gaps. The stitching on this guy looks like so much nicer than my other Teaparties. I'm like genuinely so confused, but actually these boys look so nice. I love HoneyCherries. They're like really awesome, affordable shoes, and the scuff marks are like so easy to get out too, so highly recommend if you have like giant feet or you don't know what size is gonna fit you. They're super affordable. I will let you know when I splurge on cotton candy feet shoes because I do really want to try them. I've been on the fence for a little bit, but I think I'm gonna do it and I'm gonna go with gold. So whenever that happens, I'll let you know. Our next thing is something that I have been wanting for when did I go to the aquarium meet? I've been wanting this for like literally ever. As you know, I have a bad obsession with animal backpacks. I have 2 more in the mail, which is a surprise animal that I got from a small business, so you'll see those soon. This one I did get off of AliExpress, I know, but I've been eyeing him for like so long, at least a year, 2 years, probably closer to 2 years, and he's here. He's here. This is my boyfriend's favorite animal. Also one of my favorite animals, but more specifically my boyfriend's favorite animal, so I was extra excited to finally order him, and he was also on sale too. Oh, this took like a month to get here too. I think it arrived like a week after the shoes, and I ordered them on the same day, so. Okay. He's so cute! He is so cute! Oh my god, come to father, please. Oh my god, he's so soft. He is so soft. He's so soft. Anyways, this is my penguin backpack. He is so soft. This is how much he was. I'm pretty sure I also got him on sale. The straps are adjustable. They're like a really nice, they're not like the plasticky spandex feeling, not spandex, like they don't feel like the plasticky straps like most of them. They're like a nice canvas, almost like duck cloth feeling, kind of like canvas straps. And then this, wow, this is a strong zipper too, like a metal zipper that's giant and really bulky. Let's see how big this pouch is. There's the outside of it. You can see it's like a mesh laundry bag kind of compartment. So let's see what I can fit in this. We have 2 pumpkin lights. We have this beautiful rock. We have some haichu. We have my fragrance things. But anyways, it fits all that, and there's still, you know, a little bit of room. So he is fitting quite a lot of stuff, which is always my like big concern. I don't even carry a lot of stuff on me, just like my phone and a wallet, but I do like having room. He is so cute. I love you. Anyways, comment name suggestions down below. There's a little thing to hang him up. There's like a little loose thread on his beak, and his beak is like pleather too, but like a plasticky pleather. Oh my god, he's so cute. Hello, my love. The love of my life. So I have 2 packages left. One is a dress that I bought secondhand, and the other one is something very special to my heart, which you know what? I think we can do that next. Why not? I ordered this bad boy at the start of May, and it took almost 2 whole months to get here. And if you can't guess what this is, I bet you can, because you guys already know from my Voltron videos I have 1 pride flag, and this is my other one. Do, 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 do. Woo! There he is. Very giant. This huge, literally so giant. I could turn this into a blanket, you know? Like, look how ginormous this is. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Literally like a full-size blanket. I think it's like 3 by 5 feet. Ginormous. Little sad there are wrinkles, but now I know how to use a steamer. So this leads us to our last package. And this is a dress that I bought off of a Lolita on Instagram who was having like a moving house sale. And you guys know how I've been wanting like a gingham dress for so long, probably at least a year. I don't know why, I just like really love gingham for some reason and I used to hate it. I was gonna like just buy a Diamond Honey one, but I was like, do I really want like Diamond Honey quality? And then I saw someone selling a Dear Selling gingham OP secondhand and I was like, okay. I was like a little sad though because I paid for this, transaction complete, and I was like, sweet, this is gonna come in time for a meet that I have. And then the seller didn't ship it out for like another month after I paid, so it didn't come in time to the meet. But it's okay, I'm sure there will be more meets in the future. I'm just happy it's here. It's a little damaged too. The seller sent me like a photo of the damage, so I'm probably not gonna try it on for you until like that's all fixed and I am ready to show it, but I will show you guys. I'll hold it up for you so you guys can see what it looks like because I am very excited to show everyone. Here we go. Oh, I just ripped the entire box. I see the gingham. What is this? There is a, there's a little like poodle head in it. Very interesting. I guess that's like a little free gift too. I don't know, does this, oh, there's like a dried glue spot on the back. So I think originally this was supposed to be a pin, but that's okay. This looks like an easy fix, but that's adorable. That's very cute. And then, what is this? A stained Baby the Starshine Bright washcloth. So I guess that's another gift, free gift, but it's like very stained. So interesting. And then we have our Dear Celine OP. I don't know why I did a voice there. This is super, super light. It's a size medium. Oh wow, this is like the perfect summer dress. Like it's super, super light. Wow. Oh, the collar's so cute. It has so many details. This isn't like obviously a review on the quality of Dear Celine or anything, but I was like so excited for this dress. So I just wanted to show you guys really quick. And whenever I open like dresses off camera and don't record them, they come out like super stained with tears and like terrible quality. So that's why too, because I think it's like bad karma. Everything's so sheer. This is going to be so nice. Like look at these sleeves, you can see right through them. This is like the perfect summer Lolita dress. I'm a little worried because like even the lining on the inside looks pretty sheer. Oh, that's a cute button, but I think it's missing a button. I think that was the damage on it. No, wait, the button's there. I don't remember what the damage is. Oh, and this little sailor collar is removable. Okay, and there's a zipper in the back. Waist ties are super cute. Oh wow, okay. This is awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look up where the damage is because I don't even see anything. Wow, okay, this is awesome. I got a whole outfit today. I got a dress, I got a little poodle, I got a backpack, I got some shoes, and none of it matches. But it's okay. Thank you guys so much for watching this with me. Wait, no, thank you so much for watching me. Thanks for joining me today. There we go. I hope you guys enjoyed my little mail haul. And basically that's it. Tell me, what was your favorite thing? What was your free mini gift that came with stuff today? Let me know down below what was your last purchase. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.